In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a chart which is dependent on the drop-down. Whatever is selected in this drop-down is what is drawn on. What it does, it filters data from here based on this selection, it places it here, and based on this data, we draw this chart. So my chart is dynamic and it depends on what is selected in the drop-down. That's what we're going to look at today. So I'm going to start from scratch. So to do this, I'm going to copy my data here onto a new sheet right here. Then the first thing I'm going to do is create my drop down in this cell here. So to do that, go to validation, add a new rule. I'm creating a drop down from a range, and I'm going to select my range based on the category column, like so. And I will want to change the way it looks by having this arrow right there. So when I do that, I have my drop down, which is inserted in J1. Now using this drop down, I'm going to filter this data. And to do that, I'm going to use the filter function, which takes a range of what we want to return. We want to return the products and the sales. I drop the end reference so that it goes to the very end. And the conditions, how do you want to filter this data? We want to filter it based on the category that is selected in A1. So I'm going to say this column, I drop the end reference should equal to what is selected in J1. I close my brackets, hit enter, and then you see that whatever I select here is what comes filtered out. So with that out of the way, the next thing I'm going to do is draw my chart based on this data here. So to do that, I highlight my data set, go to chart, and let me first delete this, highlight my data set, chart. Okay, it's already drawn. This is my chart. And to make it a little dynamic, so that if there's more rows added, I'm going to remove the end reference here so that it automatically expands with the more rows are added. So after that, now I'm going to test whether everything is working as expected. So if I select beverages, you can see beverages selected here, my chart is selected here, and dairy products. So my chart is dynamic and it's based on the drop-down list. Hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to see more videos like this. Like, comment, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.